I will show you how you can send large files on Gmail without any size limit. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So as you probably know, Gmail has a 25 megabytes limit by default, but with this video, I'm going to show you a method you can bypass this limit. So all you need to do is go to Gmail, and let's say I'm going to send an email to myself, and let's say I want to send a large file. So if I try to send it from here, it will have a 25 megabytes limit and it won't let me send it. So what we can do is insert files using Drive, which has no limit. So click here and then you can go to upload and upload a file from your computer. So for example, this one is more than 100 megabytes. You can double click it and now this will start loading and uploading the file to Drive. And after it loads, you will see the file right here and we can send it. So now I sent it to myself and I can open it and view the file. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.